Hello guys, welcome to the weekly review. And right now we are looking at US30. And you can see at the start of the week we were at that support area, right? We break above that, gave us that retest, and since we broke below above that downward trend line, retested that resistance area right there, and upon retest we came back down, broke above, gave us that retest, and that retest gave us also the retest. Now it was a resistance area, now it's a support area, but also with that retest you can see that a bullish engulfing, confirming our buy entry. Looking at this area as our first target, and that is our overall target of that buy entry, right? Now the market, we're now looking at this area, we're looking at the market could come back for a retest, but what the market did, it did break above, shoot back, hit that area right there, and gave us that retest, gave us that double top formation. Now we're looking for reversals, but it was not, because we can see that short R tracement right there. We're looking, but we're also looking for the market might come back here and then give us a third touch, confirming that triple top formation, thus giving us an even stronger reversal, right? But it did come back down after that double top, came back down to that support area, give us that retest and that hanging man, and then that bullish engulfing, which are reversal candlesticks, right? And then came back up, gave us the, you can see we had the first touch, second touch, third touch. Now we're looking at this area here as a triple top area, which confirmed our reversal again. But we can also see that this was also a high, in our high area, right? This was also our high area, so we're also looking for buys in our at our high area. So now we can see we are now forming, coming back down. We're looking at to retest this area, right? Retest this area. We could be looking, when we came back here, we would be looking to come back there, but the market did broke, played around within that support area, came back up, and now we're seeing that we are gaining now momentum towards the upside, right? We're now looking for momentum, but of course it was NFP week, and of course as the NFP came down, we shot back down. Now we can see we are closing within that area. This short impulsive movement is due to the NFP news announcement. That's all. It's always important to look at your fundamentals. But that's gonna be it for US30. Looking at Ger40, and you can see at the start of the week we're at that support area, right? We gained momentum, closed above that downward trend line, gave us that retest of that bullish engulfing right there. Then now we're shooting up. We had that short resistance area right there, or a resistance zone right there. You can see the market did come, the short back came, hit there, and then gave us a second touch, right? But you can see it breaks above that area right now. Now at the start of the week we're looking, now we are going up, but the market is gaining momentum from the previous week's low. We are now looking for, we're in a bullish market in essence, right? We're in a bullish market, and we kept shooting, going up, going up, came down for that retest when, while we're looking up. But now you can see that we're in a downward trend right there, right? You can see that downward trend. You can see we're now having, let me just adjust that right there, right? You can see now we're having that downward trend. Looking at the markets now going back down, we are now looking at an impulsive move, towards the downside. And you can also see this area right here. You can see this area right here, that in we will get this on the small time frame. That's going to confirm, but even on the bigger time frame, it's confirming that that was a double top or a triple top formation, signaling that reversal. But also due to NFP, you can see we did shoot back down, right? Because we had that reversal right there that confirmed that we are now going back down. But yeah, it's going to be it for Germany. Again, looking at gold, you can see at the start of the week we're also on that support area. So we're now looking for at the start of the week that retest, forming that, confirming that this is a support area. Now we are looking for buy areas at that retest, and when we took our buy weight, that looking that as our target, right? Our overall target, because we are now saying that this is a resistance zone, this is also a high area, this is also a downward trend line, so a stronger chance of reversal. But the market did shoot back, gave us that retest, and kept shooting up, kept creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? we in that upward trend up until there where the market did break and give us that retest right there, confirming the change in direction, right? So this was a nice area to enter yourself because the market did break below, close below, and then give us that retest right there. On that entry, you could have taken your sell entry at this being your take profit target, which was hit. And also remember this is NFP week, but you can also see that this area right there, right? This was a let me just take that out, right? This was a symmetric triangle, right? This was a symmetric triangle, so a continuation of the pattern. As you can see, the first touch, second touch, second touch, so we can see the continuation of the pattern. We are then looking for at this area to go for a high, right? We're looking for, because like we are now, but at the start of that continuation pattern, you can see that we are now going back, retesting. So yeah, that is also expected, but it's gonna be it for gold. Now looking at US100, you can see at the start of the week we came back to, now we are that our low area right there, our low area, and then we shot back up. We haven't seen that low area, we shot back out. We can see that we are also looking at this area right here as an area of a turning point, or our high area as well, because you can see first touch, second touch, third touch, confirming that downward trend, right? The market did shoot back up, give us that retest within that area, broke above. As you can see, when it gave us this right area right there, we are now confirming our buy because the market did have a reversals. No, it did not. It did not. So, but with this area right here, when it came back, so this was not a strong or buy area, right? Because you could look at this area right there, this reversal area right here. Give a look at this reversal area right here. So this was not a strong buy area. The only time the right time to buy was here when we had that retest, the break above and retest, and looking, this is our first touch, our target, because now this was still a downward trend, right? You can see that we're now looking at the top of that downward trend, would be looking to go back down, but it did break above short when now played around within that resistance area, gave us a false breakout, and then came back down, gave us another breakout, not a huge impulsive breakout, just a small breakout, but came back down. You can see after that breakout, we're now confirming that our reversal was true, right? Confirming our downward reversal. But yeah, due to NFP, that the market did short back down again. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for the weekly review. Hope you like, share, comment, subscribe, and do the most. And yeah, peace.